look like at a workshop. We in Cockermouth and a workshop shop. There's a big museum up here. They collect everything. I don't know what this one for. What this one for, Keith? All the woodwork, yeah, and metalwork as well. I don't know for how long we have it here. Look like at this for drawer to keep things.
Looks like this would have been a workshop because it's got a big bench.
Oh, look at that. If you want to come here, it's in what shop called?
In Ironmongers.
Ironmonger in Cockermouth. Have a look. We got shop on the front, and this is like a little bit museum. You got ground floor and second floor. Everything in here. Come have a look. Which one is for? Keep that woodwork, yeah. Look like a woodwork here. Oh, look at the radio. Ooh. That's there. Do not crumb. What this one for, Keith? Oh, to put.
Well, it could have been clothes.
Yeah.
For drying clothes before you had a dryer.
What this shoe then?
Your workman shoe.
Working shoe. Oh, look at that. Really excited. We got some sign. I'm not think so they sell it. The sign.
No.
Oh, Cockermouth be. Oh, that side. I think we changed already. That for woodwork. That polish, yeah.
Key cutting.
Key cutting.
Yeah.
Oh. Is still mortar there?
That's you're right. That's a grinder.
That grinder polish.
But that's key cutting.
Yeah. Ooh. Right, keep going then. Water spock. Very excitement here. Major. Look at that side, Keith.
William Wordsworth was born in Cockermouth, poet, I think.
All right. the ground floor. This is the owner, no? 1880.
Oh, I don't know.
What the history for then?
I think he just stole photographs.
All right. We can't walk over there. Can't walk through there.
No.
Okay. This is shop in the Cockermouth. What's shop name again, Keith?
It's the Ironmongers.
Ironmonger. Okay. If you have time, come have a look in the Cockermouth. All right. See you later.